Hey there, future retirees. Welcome back to the channel where we turn complicated financial topics into bite-sized nuggets of wisdom with a sprinkle of humor to keep things fun. Today's hot topic: common retirement planning mistakes DIY planners make in their 30s. Listen, your 30s are a financial juggling act. Careers, mortgages, maybe kids, or just your love of brunch. But when it comes to retirement planning, there are pitfalls you'll want to avoid. So grab your coffee or your wine, no judgment, and let's dive in. By the end, you'll be a pro at dodging these common traps and securing your future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow 30-something squad. The classic procrastination trap. I'm only in my 30s, retirement's decades away. Well, that mindset costs you big bucks. Time is your biggest ally. Compound interest turns your money into a snowball rolling downhill. Start now, even if it's just a little. Skipping your 401k or not maxing out the employer match is like throwing away free money. Action step: log into that HR portal and make sure you're contributing enough to snag the full match. Trust me, your future self will be eternally grateful. Debt can feel like a weight around your neck, but don't let it stop you from saving for retirement. It's about balance. Pay off high-interest debt first, but always prioritize retirement savings, especially if there's a match involved. Your 30s are prime Roth IRA territory. Why? Because you're probably in a lower tax bracket now than you will be at retirement. Tax-free growth and withdrawals? That's the retirement jackpot. Today's $100 isn't going to stretch as far in 30 years. Inflation is sneaky, but you can outpace it by investing in assets with growth potential like stocks and index funds. Continuation of previous dialogue. Your 30s are all about growth, but don't put everything in risky investments. A good mix of stocks, bonds, and even real estate helps you ride out market turbulence while still growing your nest egg. Life happens. Car repairs, medical bills, unexpected expenses. Having 3-6 months worth of expenses in an emergency fund keeps you from raiding your retirement savings when things go sideways. Got a raise? Congrats! But don't let lifestyle creep gobble it up. Upgrade your savings rate before you upgrade your wardrobe. Future you will thank you. Relying solely on tax-deferred accounts like a 401k could leave you with a hefty tax bill in retirement. Balance it out with Roth accounts or taxable investment accounts to keep your future tax bill under control. Health costs are no joke, and they'll only increase as you age. Look into HSAs, health savings accounts. They're triple tax advantaged and can act as a secondary retirement fund for medical expenses. All right, let's pause for a second. We've covered everything from procrastination to taxes to shopping sprees disguised as lifestyle upgrades. Feeling called out yet? Don't worry, we're just getting started. Your 20s goals may not work for your 30s. Career changes, kids, or even just a new perspective mean it's time to update your retirement plan. A little extra income can make a huge difference. Side hustles in your 30s can supercharge your retirement savings or help knock out debt faster. Social Security isn't going to cover all your needs. It's more like a safety net, not a hammock. Plan to cover most of your retirement through personal savings and investments. Set it and forget it. Automate contributions to your retirement account so you're not tempted to spend first and save later. It's great to start DIY, but as your finances grow, consider consulting a professional. A financial advisor can help you optimize your plan and avoid costly mistakes. There you have it. 15 common mistakes DIY retirement planners make in their 30s and how to avoid them. If you found this helpful or at least mildly entertaining, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share this video with your fellow 30-somethings. Let's help everyone secure that dream retirement. Until next time, remember, future you is already high-fiving your smart choices today.